Hello, everybody. Tonight we make something that every month we gotta make. It's the calendar recipe. Now this month it's February, and we got the calendar right over here. Everybody can see. I was make white and with a tomato sauce. Now today I was go to the store. A couple of people said to me, Pasquale, we look all your video. He said, you got the recipe? I said, yes. We got the calendar. And you can order the calendar. And I said, tonight I gotta cook. And you look, I show you the calendar, what it look like. It's a nice calendar. It got a recipe every month. It got a lot of calendar for sale. Somebody want to buy. Okay, now. We gotta start the other way with the pasta. It take a little longer. We make pasta and beans, chickpeas. And I got over here my oil baby. I got onion, garlic, parsley, and the cherry tomato. This is my cherry tomato. Got put in the freezer and I do every year. Okay, now let's start with the pasta.
Thank you, Tom.
And with the pasta, I want to put salt before I put the pasta. You got a lot of water. Okay, and we got the salt. And now we cook the pasta. This, it's a mixed pasta. It got a lot of kind of the pasta inside its own mix. Okay, now, on this pasta, first thing, let me make a turn over here, the pasta, okay? I don't want to stick on the pasta, but you got a lot of water. And now, let's put the gas on over here. And we got to start for the sauce.
Lois, did you get confirmation number?
Okay, and we got the garlic, the onion, and I got my oil baby. Over here I chop already little piece. It smells really spicy this. Okay, now, we warm up a little bit, and let's start the onion. Okay, it's one. And the garlic. And we got the hot pepper. All right. Okay, now you gotta cook a little bit of this. And I want to say hello everybody. And tonight we make a pasta chickpeas, beans. And thank you so much for your support. And thank you for the I call it the star. Thank you very much for the star. Everybody, chin chin and salute.
Thank you, Tina, for sharing.
Okay, now this. You gotta cook a little bit. I want to fry. And look at the chickpeas. Now the chickpeas I cook by myself. And look how beautiful. This is not a can. This I was put soak last night. And I was cook today the chickpeas.
Lois, when you order, you need to always have confirmation number that you can get back to check. I'm sure you should check it out, this.
Now, this pasta, in my city in Italy, we was called I minuti. It's all mixed pasta. The chickpeas, the beans, we was called I cicere. And we was eat a lot of chickpeas.
But you can still order the calendar, yes. Yeah, you can use beans too, yes.
Okay. And now, this is the cherry tomato. What I did, I boiled a little bit, just hot water, and take it out right away. And you take the skin out, and look how beautiful look at this little cherry tomato. This is from my garden for last year. And every year, what I do, I freeze. Chin Chin e salute, thank you so much to everybody. Chin Chin, salute, thank you for the star. Chin Chin.
It's a lot. Everything is a lot. A lot of water, pasta, a lot of tomatoes.
I think we got enough for me and my wife.
I think so.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, look how beautiful this tomato. Huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, now what I need over here, I need a little salt, not too much. Okay. And black pepper.
We don't have a cookbook yet, just calendars.
And the black pepper, it's really, really good. Okay. Look at this nice cherry tomato, beautiful.
Yeah, the calendar has recipe for each month. It's different recipes, so it's 12 recipes.
Okay. I like to put little green. All right, little parsley. Okay.
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
We leave it cook. Now, with the sauce, but it's already cooked. But I do like this, got one of the taste really, really good. Okay. All right.
Looks so good, smells really good. If you like recipe, please share it, and thank you so much. This is pasta with chickpeas.
low the gas over here. I want to test the sauce and the chickpeas.
Spicy?
Little salt, a little bit. That's enough. Okay.
Yes, we do have video of stuffed mushroom. Thank you for sharing.
And a lot of time you don't get too much sauce, you know, you put the pasta together. But if you don't got enough sauce, you can use the water. And I always use the chickpeas, get already, you know, it's too much starch. But with the pasta, you got a lot of water over there, and you can put. But I got enough over here, and I don't need no water. Now, after the pasta I put over here, and I'll leave it cook it together, and you see a nice, beautiful color.
The pasta is like 2 more minutes. Or maybe you can test if you want.
Nice. You know, got enough, you know, mixed pasta. You can cook any kind of the pasta. Okay, it's more ditalini or something else you like. What kind of the pasta you like, and you can cook. This is a mix.
Yeah, tomatoes is without skin, yes.
Okay. Now the pasta, turn the wood off. Yes. And now we put right over here. Okay. That's it. All right. That's it.
It looks amazing.
Okay. All right. We turn the gas off.
It's mixed pasta, yes.
Okay. Let's go over here. And I got a little parsley.
Okay, Lois, thank you.
Look nice. And we got a little pecorino cheese.
And now is the fun part. We need to
Okay,
test.
We gotta test. Okay, I got my oil baby over here. Really, really good. Good taste.
Especially when it's cold, huh?
Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for the star. And this pasta chickpeas, it's really good. We see next week again. Like I said, so somebody want to order the calendar, you got a lot of calendars somebody want to buy. Chin chin, a salute, and thank you for the star. Chin chin.
Thank you, everyone.